On the count of 3, everybody's going to look at the cameras, smile, and we'll cut that ribbon. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations.
Without them voting and supporting to go for a referendum, we would not be here today. I also really want to thank the community, and without the community support this referendum, we would not be able to be here today and starting to work on this wonderful elementary school.
I am Kevin Holm with LHB, and as the principal architect, I just want to thank the community and the school district for the amount of support that they've given us in this process. As Mike indicated, the task force was the first group that we worked with prior to the referendum. I think they put together some really good proposals that made that success at the referendum a possibility.
What we don't get to see very much, and we had to reflect on a little bit as our team was getting ready for this, is what the school really means. It's really a community center, especially when it comes down to like the kindergarten and early ed. And we're building a community center for kids that might have a teacher, 1 or 2 teachers that impact their life for years to come, or their best friend they meet on their playground. Elementary schools and specific projects like this really can mold the future of people.
There's a feeling of growth, of energy, of optimism that comes from opening new schools for our kids. I want to welcome you here to Overland. This is going to be an amazing learning facility for decades.